Hi everyone, Rich Berliner here from Digital Locations with this week's news update from the world of media, communications, and satellite technology. In this report, we'll be looking at three important stories that you should be aware of, including surfing the internet on Mars, Botswana building its first satellite, and surprising summer travel statistics. Our first story comes from the publication Inside Towers about how an internet network could work on Mars. While it will be a long time before astronauts land on Mars, planning for how communications will occur is already taking shape. With current technology, streaming a movie or accessing a large file could take up to 40 minutes for the data to travel back to Earth. Research into how to transmit large files over long space distances using lasers or radio waves is being done. Engineers have proposed a possible Mars satellite network that could allow for faster communications. There are talks to test a moon satellite system to work through the logistics and test new technologies. Here at Digital Locations, we understand how important space is for the future of humanity. We believe the future of broadband internet is in space, and that research into how new technologies can help is vital. We're working with the expert team at Florida International University on new satellite communications technologies. And we are developing Satena as a direct satellite to smartphone solution that would allow users to access the internet from anywhere. The future of space communications networks is exciting and something to keep an eye on. Our second story comes from the industry publication Via Satellite about the African nation of Botswana developing its first satellite. In a landmark deal with the company Endurosat, Botswana is planning to launch a powerful satellite with cameras, agricultural measuring instruments, and communications technologies. This will allow Botswana to study the soil for agricultural purposes and mining operations. This will also create the need for this valuable data to reach scientists and researchers on the ground who may be in a remote place. This development shows that the space race isn't just limited to large industrialized nations. Countries around the world are planning for the future of space communications. At Digital Locations, we agree that technologies of the future will lean heavily on space, and they will need an always-on connection to the internet to function. This is why our work on Satena is so important and has the potential to bring high-speed satellite internet to the devices themselves, no matter where or how rural the devices may be. And finally, our third story comes from the AP about the busy summer travel surge. More than 3 million people passed through U.S. airport securities on a single day, setting a new record. As Americans continue to travel in record numbers, the ability for them to have reliable communications is vital. Even away from home, people want to be able to access their favorite music, content, and programming. And apps, by the way. Even in the most remote travel destinations, Americans have little tolerance for dead zones. Here at Digital Locations, we're developing Satena technology to bring satellite communications directly to smartphones. The creation of a universal terrestrial network has proven to be too expensive and inefficient, with some areas costing hundreds of thousands of dollars to add fiber optic lines to just a single home or two. The Internet of the future will be satellite-based, removing the need for current terrestrial infrastructure. We are developing a technology that will allow a cell phone to get high-speed internet directly from a satellite. Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk are creating satellite networks to make this possible. Our Satena project is exciting, and we believe it is the final piece of the satellite broadband internet puzzle. It is definitely something you should pay attention to. To learn more about our current developments and to stay informed, visit digitallocations.com. And thanks for watching. This is Rich Berliner from Digital Locations.